These creators are making fortunes with dropshipping, and today we will show how you can replicate their business. We'll do both organic and paid selling and explain how to scale from this point onwards. So let's see how it all works, even if you have zero experience. First of all, what is dropshipping? Dropshipping is a process of selling products that were not invented or made by you, and they are delivered straight to the customers. All is possible with the power of digital. To start, you need to identify a product that's good and great, a product that people will love. So, how do we find this winning product? Head straight to Facebook and Instagram. As you scroll through, watch for ads showcasing various products. Click on the ones that intrigue you. Visit their websites, and even if you're not buying, add some of these products to your cart. It's a neat little trick. By doing this, Facebook's algorithm will think you're interested and show you more related products. This serves a dual purpose. You get to see what's trending and popular and discover products that resonate with your personal taste. Think about what you would use or what your friends and family might find interesting. Now let's switch platforms. Go to TikTok and in the search bar type in hashtag TikTok made me buy this. This hashtag is a goldmine. You'll come across a plethora of products that are gaining traction. Your goal here is to spot unique items that aren't everywhere yet. If you find a product that's being raved about but doesn't have many sellers, that's your cue. It's an indication that this product has a lot of untapped potential. Lastly, to double-check the viability of your chosen product, let's head to AliExpress. Navigate through the site and look for the Trending Products section. Here's a pro tip. Always opt for products with a minimum of 1,000 orders and a rating of 4.5 or above. This ensures that the product is in demand and customers are happy with their purchase. With your winning product in hand, it's time to set up your store. There are many platforms out there, but I will guide you through using Shopify. Why? Because it's one of the best and most user-friendly platforms out there. Picture this. You're on the Shopify homepage. There's a big button that says Start Free Trial. Click on it. Follow the step-by-step process, and your store's basic structure will be ready quickly. But setting up a store isn't just about the structure. It's about aesthetics and functionality too. If you're not too tech-savvy, no worries. Websites like Freelancer, Upwork, and Fiverr are filled with professionals who can help you. They can assist with everything, from choosing and setting up a domain to adding products to your store. Speaking of domains, it's essential to choose a catchy one. Think of your domain as your store's first impression. Websites like GoDaddy and NameMesh can help you find available domain names. If you're stuck for ideas, just ask me, and I'll suggest some cool names for your store. Now back to Shopify. Once your domain is set, you need to choose a theme. Imagine the theme as the decor of your store. It needs to be appealing and functional. Shopify has its theme market, but you can also check out ThemeForest for more options. Lastly, the content. From the homepage banner to product descriptions, every word matters. If you're unsure about crafting the perfect content, ChatGPT is here to help. Just fill it in with the relevant info, and it'll whip up some engaging and persuasive text for your store. The next big step in our journey is advertising. But before we jump into setting up ads, we need two main things: the content for the ads, often referred to as creatives, and the technical setup on platforms where we'll run these ads like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Later on, we'll also discuss how to maximize the reach of these ads without breaking the bank. First, let's tackle the creatives. If you're wondering what kind of content to create or how to design your ads, there are some fantastic tools to help you. Mania, along with another one called Shop Hunter, gives you a sneak peek into what's working for others in the market. It's like having a secret window into successful ad campaigns. Browse through, gather inspiration, and think about how to take those ideas and make them even better when collaborating with your content creators. But wait, there's more. There's this incredible website called Viral Ecom Ads. This site is a game changer. For a fee of around $120, you can have native speakers with experience in creating video ads that showcase the usage of your product. Why is this important? Well, in the world of online shopping, people love to see real-life experiences. It's a form of social proof. When potential customers see real people enjoying and benefiting from a product, they're more likely to purchase. So investing in user-generated content is a smart move. With your creatives ready, it's time to set up the ads. If you're new to this, don't worry. The internet is filled with resources to guide you. For instance, this tutorial titled How I made $100,000 profit with this dropshipping product is a goldmine of information. But if you'd rather have an expert handle the technicalities, there's a solution for that too. Head over to Fiverr. It's a platform where you can find professionals to do your tasks. On the Fiverr homepage, post a project detailing what you need, and in no time, you'll have offers from ad specialists ready to set up your campaigns for as low as $50. When choosing someone, always check their reviews and past work. But here's a little secret. You don't need to be a genius to get your ads running successfully. Spend a couple of hours on YouTube, search for videos with titles like How to Start Dropshipping Ads, and you'll find a wealth of knowledge. The trick is to see what's working for others and adapt it to your needs. It's as simple as copying successful strategies and tweaking them to fit your brand. The key is to pass all of the knowledge to your ad expert so that he or she can copy it right in. A pivotal aspect of advertising is the ability to discern the right moments and platforms to test your ads. This includes evaluating various audiences, creatives, and other elements to determine their effectiveness. When venturing into this realm, especially if you're collaborating with a contractor from Fiverr, it's essential to pose the right questions. Initiate a conversation by inquiring about their expertise in ad testing. Ask them about their strategies and recommendations for identifying what resonates with your target audience and what falls flat. Their responses can provide valuable insights into their proficiency and approach. If their answers align with your expectations and they deeply understand the nuances of ad testing, they might be the perfect fit for your venture. In the ever-evolving landscape of e-commerce and digital marketing, resting on one's opinion is not an option. Continuous learning is the cornerstone of sustained success. It's not just about keeping up with the latest trends and technologies, but about fostering a mindset of curiosity and adaptability. The digital world is in constant flux, with algorithms changing, consumer behavior shifting, and new platforms emerging. By dedicating time to educating yourself, attending webinars, enrolling in online courses, or even reading industry blogs, you equip yourself with the knowledge to navigate these changes. Remember, in the world of business, those who are adaptable and proactive in their learning are the ones who thrive.